Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove a background from Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start a new presentation. So for example, you can choose a blank one or you can choose from the templates. So I'm gonna click on blank. And then as you can see guys right here, the presentation is added. So for example, I'm going to type background removal or remove. And then I'm going to click on this little plus in order to add a new slide. As you can see guys, now the slide has been added. Right here, you're going to find background, layout, themes, and transition. You can click on background. And then from here, you can choose a color or you can also choose an image. Click on choose image and then add it from uh, your PC or from a webcam or Google Drive and so on. So I'm gonna upload right now an image from my PC, for example, this one. And as you can see guys, now it's uploading. Now I added the image. From here, you can add the theme or we're gonna click on done. As you can see guys, now the background is added. Basically guys, now in order to remove the background, you just need to go back to background, click on it, and then from here, go to color, click on this little arrow, and then choose, for example, the white color, and then click on done. And as you can see, guys, now the background is removed. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.